Hey foodies! Today we're diving into the exciting world of kitchen gear with the revolutionary T-fal cookware. Ever wondered how to effortlessly elevate your cooking game? Stick around to find out. Imagine cookware that feels like it's tailor-made for your culinary ventures. Well, that's the magic of T-fal cookware. Crafted with precision engineering and cutting-edge technology, it ensures your dishes turn out picture-perfect every time. No more worrying about unevenly cooked food. T-fal has your back. Let's talk benefits, folks. Picture this: searing steaks to juicy perfection or simmering sauces that taste like they've been slow cooking all day. The best part? The non-stick surface makes cleanup a breeze. And don't even get me started on its durability. This cookware is built to last. The ergonomic handles and innovative designs are just the cherry on top for a smooth and comfortable cooking experience. What's not to love? Whether you're a seasoned chef ready to whip up gourmet meals or a newbie in the kitchen exploring your cooking talents, T-fal cookware caters to all. It's like having your own kitchen companion that's always up for a culinary adventure. So if you're looking to experiment, create, and savor delicious meals, T-fal is your new best friend. Hey, don't just take our word for it. Our users swear by T-fal cookware. They've got stories of delicious dishes made effortlessly and kitchen successes achieved with ease. This cookware isn't just a set of pans and pots. It's a game changer in the world of cooking. Join the satisfied T-fal family and experience the joy of hassle-free cooking. There you have it, food enthusiasts, the inside scoop on T-fal cookware. If you're ready to take your kitchen adventures to new heights, upgrading to T-fal is the way to go. Say goodbye to kitchen struggles and hello to a world of flavorful possibilities. So, what are you waiting for?